Big old line. I gotta see what it is. Number 6, breakfast, Thai food, seafood. Yeah. I thought it was gonna land, but I guess not. So much for that beautiful sunset. Boom. Taking a swim in the Indian Ocean. Sun is setting, but unfortunately, it's cloudy. What's that? Oh. Patong, Phuket, Thailand. It's Phuket, not fuck it. Big wave. Getting a pancake ready. I seen the banana chocolate ones being sold online, so that's what I'm gonna get. But they also do have, like, if you want egg with Nutella or egg with cheese. Butter me up, baby. Butter.
I don't know.
Lost in translation. Like the other guy needed a little bit of salt, but he was like, no sugar. He's like, that's not salt, my dude. But mine is sweet, so we don't need salt. I guess it's kind of like a crepe, right? But they do it into like a rectangular burrito. That tastes like a mess, doesn't it? Oh boy, here we go. It's like a crispy, I just said it right now. Those flat pancakes, what are they called? Crepes. Crispy crepe, bomb. I'm not a fan of Nutella, that's why I didn't get Nutella. But I'm pretty sure if you guys get Nutella, it'll be delicious. Super Thai omelet. You pick your how many eggs you want, how many veggies you want, and you make a nice little omelet right there. Street food. Big old line. I gotta see what it is. Number 6, breakfast, Thai food, seafood. $80 for a little plate. All right, vegetable dish. $2.50 for shrimp plate. All right. $90, $80. That's cool. The same Bangla road during the day. The road is open. Traffic is flowing through these streets. Huge difference between night and day. Yeah. There's like different shops with like, you know, if you want Travis Scott's, if you want 270s, 97s. Like the fake market over here is huge. In every corner you'll see a sneaker shop with fake Nikes, fake Adidas, fake Louis Vuittons, every corner. There you go. Got the Chanels, the Louis, hats. In Bangla Road and Tanthin Bangla, and right here in front of this restaurant, it's called Red Hot Club. You got your purses over here, but the guys right here hooked me up with some Travis's and some other goodies. But they have the best prices in town if you guys want to come check them out. $200, 45 minutes, best massage ever. Private room with the little jungle in the background. It was amazing. That place is right in front of the side street of the Graceland resort. That's where we're staying. This place I saw, it's across the street. Massages, I've been seeing they range between 200 to 300. I even asked by the beach, right by the waterfront, there's like tables or whatever, but they wanted $400. So great price, more private. It was awesome. So Phuket Beach, right? Actually Patong Beach is right there. If you want to get the cheapest coconuts, the cheapest fruit is in this corner right here. There's the two little tables. The coconut is $35. Everywhere else you're gonna pay 80, 60. So under Nari Massage and Beauty, there it is, $35, which is $1.10. So it ends all the way down there, and there's a different row over there. I got this watermelon smoothie for $30. $30, cheapest I've seen. But you find anything from fruit, you find skewers, coconut ice cream. It's $100. You'll find oh, I've seen loaded potatoes. $40 for a coconut. And also the people, they sell like the scorpions and the grasshoppers and all this stuff. Night market. Oh, and at this place, they also offer like sex on the beach for $89, like alcoholic drinks.
stuff.
And across the street is the boxing stadium. So just look for Bangla Boxing Stadium. And this is across the street. I've been here every day, so. And then people have their own companies with like their own juices and stuff. They were cheaper down there. Pretty cool stuff. And then Bangla Road is like half a street that way, and then 2 blocks to the actual beach, like the water. Everything's just walking distance. Rated #1 airport 12 times in a row. We are here in Singapore airport. Have a layover. They didn't want to go into town anymore. But is this one of the reasons why it's #1? One of the reasons. It's a freaking butterfly garden. Look at that. Chilling in the pineapples.